Hello, I'm the regular European investor and welcome to my channel. Want to get rich fast? Then you came to the wrong place. However, I would like to share my story in a stable, consistent and realistic financial planning. I'm a regular mid-aged guy with a wife and a kid, 9-to-5 job. I live in the European Union and I'm interested in investing, passive income and going on retirement early. Most of the YouTube investment channels I like to watch are based on US examples, so I just wanted to share my European experience. In this channel I will share my journey of investment and hopefully you will learn something new from my experiences and stories shared. There will be some fails and some good examples as well, I guess, as this is only a start of my learning path. I'm not a professional or licensed investor, so do not take my videos as an investment advice, please. In this channel I will cover tools I use, for example, Revolut app, and different investment types as cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, and etc. I'm really open for discussions and dialogue, so please share your thoughts in comment section. This will help to improve my channel. And don't forget to subscribe.